Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Welcome back. In Part 2, we'll explore what leading Japanese brands are bringing to the table in 2026, including standardization, bi-directional charging, and advanced safety features. Let's jump right in. Using precision cameras and sensors for perfect parking. The 2026 lineup from brands like Toyota and Nissan features high-definition cameras located on the underside of the car. These aren't your typical backup cameras. They are specifically calibrated to look for the geometric patterns on the charging pad. As you approach the pad, the infotainment screen switches to a top-down bird's-eye view. Visual markers on the screen change from red to green when you are in the optimal position. Sonar sensors also play a huge role here. They measure the distance between the vehicle's chassis and the floor to determine if the suspension height is correct. If you have a heavy load in the trunk, the car might sit lower, which changes the magnetic field. The alignment system accounts for this by adjusting the power frequency. If you're even 3 inches to the left, the charging speed might drop by 20%. These HD cameras provide millimeter-level precision to prevent that loss. Automatic parking features that take over the steering. For drivers who don't want to worry about parking perfectly, many 2026 Japanese EVs come with Level 2 Plus autonomy. When you arrive at your designated charging spot, you can tap a button on the dash and let go of the wheel. The car uses its steering motors and drivetrain to inch into the exact spot required for the underbody coils to lock on. This feature is a lifesaver in tight garages or dimly lit areas. The car doesn't just look for the pad, it feels the magnetic pull to verify it's in the right place. It's a hands-off experience that makes charging feel invisible. You simply pull into the garage, hit Auto Park, and step out of the vehicle. By the time you've closed your front door, the car has already docked itself and started the charging cycle. What leading Japanese brands are bringing to your garage in 2026? Toyota and Nissan have led a massive effort to standardize how these systems work. In the past, companies tried to keep their technology secret, which meant you needed a specific brand of charger for a specific car. By 2026, that has changed. The major players have agreed on a set of hardware standards for underbody coils. This means if you have a Nissan Leaf and your spouse has a Toyota BZ4X, you can both use the same wireless pad in your garage. This move toward a shared standard has made wireless charging much more affordable for the average family. Nissan has integrated these chargers into their ProPilot 3.0 system, making the charging pad a recognized destination in the car's GPS. Meanwhile, Honda has focused on bidirectional wireless charging. This allows the car to not only take power from the pad but also send it back to the house during a power outage. Their alignment systems are extra robust to handle the two-way flow of high-voltage electricity. These brands have also simplified the user interface. You won't see complex graphs or technical data. You'll see a simple, charging optimized message on your phone. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.